how to create a Threads account. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can create a Threads account. First of all, pick up your mobile phone and then head over to your Play Store to download the Threads application. So, after launching your Play Store, move to the bottom right side and click the search icon. Then type out the name of the app, which is called Threads, and wait for the app to be displayed. So this is how the app looks like. Once you can find this, click the open button by the bottom right side of the app, and then you'll be required to log in. Now, Threads is linked to Instagram. So to create an account, you would need your Instagram account to sign up. So your Threads account details would almost be the same as your Instagram account details. So these are my Instagram account, and it is prompting me to sign in using any of this account. But if I do not want to use this, just move to the bottom part of the screen and click use different account. So then enter in the username and the password of the Instagram account. So I'm just going to type that now. So after entering in your login details, you would be asked if you would like to save your login info. We can do that, but if not, just go ahead and you'll be brought to this page, which is meant for you to set up your experience. So do you want your profile to be public or private? Whichever one is fine, or based on your preference, then click the next button at the bottom part of the screen. Then you can see a write-up about how Threads work. You can check out the terms and policies so as to know what to do with your Threads account. Then move to the bottom part of the screen and click join Threads. After that, wait for the next page to load. And then you'll be required to follow people on Instagram. So the different categories popular in Nigeria, most followed in the week, and people who post often. If you want to follow, you can just click on the category you would like to follow, or click the skip button by the bottom left corner, and then just like that, your Threads account have been created, and then you can see different posts made by different people on Threads. All right, so this is just it. This is how to create a Threads account. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.